दुनिया खत्म नहीं हुई है और ना ही होगी. I know your results are out and probably you haven't scored as much as you wanted to, and if you really did, so congratulations. और नहीं आया तो भी congratulations. It does not matter as much as you are thinking in the moment कि शायद जिंदगी खत्म हो गई है, मेरे इतने नंबर नहीं आए जितने आने चाहिए थे, how do I show my face to my parents, my best friend scored so much. Is okay. It is really okay. 10 years probably down the line when you look back at your journey, you will laugh it off. यार इतनी कौन सी बड़ी बात थी कि मैं नंबरों के पीछे परेशान थी और मैं नंबरों के पीछे परेशान था. The real life is not fully dependent on marks. The real life is dependent when you build yourself and you think about leaving a mark. So leaving a mark and marks में बहुत difference है. And I really want to say that again. It is okay. If parents are watching, I even want to say that नंबरों का इतना ज़्यादा हुआ मत बनाओ because this can hamper the kids. And second, it doesn't matter as much as you think in the moment it does. It is okay. काम चल जाएगा, आने वाले सालों में कुछ नहीं रुकेगा. Things will happen for them. They will have a good life and you will see that, you will witness it. This is the time when they need your hand on their back. अच्छा कोई बात जो आ गया वो ठीक है, अब आगे की तैयारी करते हैं. And remember, I love this dialogue. काबिल बनो, कामयाबी झांक मार के पीछे आए.